Hey, so it is March 16th, and look what we got. Got lots and lots of snow out here. We've had plenty of days where it hit like 50, 60 degrees, even 70 degrees. But, you know, almost spring, and it is just dumping down snow. Look at this. And Linky couldn't be happier, right, buddy? He got his new little slide over here. He's super jacked about that. Puma's happy about the snow, right, buddy? Puma, come here. Get your ball. Yeah, look at this. Our RV park is just loaded with snow. Want your ball? You want your ball? Go get the ball. It is just absolutely relentlessly snowing right now. I'm just getting dumped on here. Might head back inside. Okay guys, flash forward by a few hours. Not only did I shave, but it is still snowing out here. It's snowing like crazy. We've got, I swear it's got to be like 5 or 6 inches at least.
Yeah.
But yeah, March 16th and it is just non-stop snowing. Crazy, crazy. Eli, what do you think?
I hate snow.
You hate snow?
I don't have enough.
He lived in Maine for almost 3 years.
Blood circulation in my hands.
We'll put on some weight, Twiggy.
Hey, I've been trying. It's impossible.
Then don't lay in the slush. Yuck. Ah. Nice.
Yeah.